Our customers have a job to do. When they turn their machine on, when they turn their engine on, they want it to operate. Their job is to move dirt, their job is to move power, their job is to move things from one place to another. And they need a high quality product that allows that to happen consistently. Cat Reman does that, and Cat Reman does that at a lower price point as compared to new. We design and manufacture great product, and we, more often than not, design that product with multiple lives. And so that product goes out, delivers against its initial brand promise, and it gets to the end of its first life. And so we take that product, and then we bring it back to our manufacturing facilities and bring it back to a like-new status, and then reintroduce it to the marketplace at a discounted price, because we don't have to go and mine new product to pour a new casting. We're taking advantage of a casting that's already there. And when that happens, that allows us to create a different price point that creates a positive impact to total cost of ownership, but it also has a positive impact on the environment. We're all conscious of our carbon footprint. Cat Reman Products plays a key role in that area for our customers.